I saw this interesting video where somebody was attacking Justice Alito, Supreme Court Justice, for promoting what we call federalism, or giving more power to the states. And they said, states don't know what is best for children. The argument here is that the federal government is a better place to regulate. Well, this is really a facetious argument because one of the first parts of the Constitution, it's actually the 10th Amendment, basically says that any power that's not explicitly given to the federal government is reserved for the states. You go back in history, the people who founded the United States of America were very, very skeptical of these big governmental organizations running everything, like the monarchy. And so they put in many protections into our governmental system to keep government as small as possible and as close to the people. You remember the Declaration of Independence? It started, "We the people." Our governmental system is built on the idea that the people need to be close to the government and have great control of the government. And that can't happen when the federal government is far away and huge and massive and filled with bureaucracy. We've kind of already gotten there. Every little battle trying to whittle away the power of the federal government and give it to the people in their states is a battle that is first of all right and just and is perfectly aligned with the U.S. Constitution. This is Matt Newsom. I'm an attorney with Iowa Business Lawyer. I help small businesses manage their risk, and I'd love to help you. IowaBusinessLawyer.com.